In this session, I'm going to solve question number 17 through 20, and these questions are given on pages 482 and 483 of this book. Set premium, whatever. Okay, now I sincerely request you to please give me feedback, and if you have any queries, you can send me an email. This is my email address, sbarkat@hotmail.com.
डर हो मंजिल पर जिसकी नजर हो हिम्मत से डट जाए जज्बा जिसका अटल हो बाकी
And this is my telephone number as well as WhatsApp number 00971 52 5331. So let us start. There are k gallons of gasoline available to fill in a tank. After d gallons have been poured in that tank, in terms of K and D, what percent of the gas or gasoline have been pumped? Okay, now D gallons have been pumped and the capacity is K gallons. This is the capacity. Now, if I multiply this by 100 and divide this by 100, it makes no difference and I can do that. Okay, so this line stands for per, and this 100 stands for cent. 100 is cent. So can I read it as D times 100 divided by K per cent? So this is the answer. D times 100 divided by K per cent. This is the answer. Okay, let us move on to question number 18. This is an interesting question. Ray and James, they live 150 miles apart. Ray starts driving in this direction at the speed of 30 miles per hour, and James starts driving in this direction at the rate of 50 miles per hour. Just by the way, this is a straight road. Okay, the question is, after how many miles away from Ray's house will they meet? Now, because this speed is 50 miles per hour and this speed is 30 miles per hour, 50 is bigger than 30, so definitely they will move closer to Ray's house, to the left of 50% mile mark. That is, if I say this distance is 75 and this distance is 75, definitely they will meet here. Okay, this is just by the way. What is the method of solution? Let us assume that they meet after X hours. Okay, now I'm sure you know that speed is equal to distance divided by time, or I can say time is equal to distance divided by speed. Okay, so let us find time for Mr. Ray. So that time, let me call it T1. That will be equal to how much has he traveled? X, 30 miles. So this will be 30 divided by, what is the speed? The speed is x miles per hour. Now this is the speed, this is the time. So this is x. Let me say it again. 30 miles per hour is the speed. Speed is equal to distance upon time, and this is time is equal to distance upon speed. So this will be, the distance is x and the speed is 30 miles per hour. Okay. Now because this distance is x miles, this must be 150 minus x miles. So the other person, namely James, let me call the time T2, travels 150 minus x, and he travels at the speed of 50 miles per hour. Now because they meet at this point, let's say x, these two times must be equal. So what I'm doing, I'm equating these two, this and this. So that will be x upon 30 is equal to 150 minus x upon 50. Now I cross multiply. 50 multiplied by x is equal to 30 multiplied by 150 minus x. And let me use another sheet. So I've got x divided by 30 is equal to 150 minus x divided by 50. 50 multiplied by x is 50x, and 30 multiplied by 150x, 150 minus x, would be 4,500 minus 30x. 30 times 150 is 4,500, and 30 times x is minus 30x. I transfer this to the left, and I will get 50x plus 30x is equal to 4,500. Now, what is 50x plus 30x? This is 80x, and this is equal to 4,500. What about x? X is equal to 4,500 divided by 80. Well, you can cancel 1 0 with 1 0, and we are left with 450 divided by 8. Let us divide 450 by 8. If we divide 450 by 8, we will get 8 5s are 40. We bring, the remainder is 5. We bring down 0. 8 6 are 48. No need to go on further. One of the answers is 56 and a quarter. So this is the answer. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now we move on to question number 19. Question number 19 says that in a bag, this is a bag, there are 5 red hammers, 10 blue hammers, and 6 yellow hammers. What is the total number? 4 plus 6 is 10, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So 20 hammers. Okay. Question is, what is the probability that in 3 attempts a hammer is drawn at random without replacement? The first one is blue, the second is blue, the third one is blue. Okay. So probability of blue and blue and blue. Now, first hammer is blue. How many blue hammers are there? 10. So this will be 10. How many total number of hammers? 20. So 10 divided by 20. When we have AND, we multiply. How many blue hammers have been left after one has been drawn? 9. And how many total hammers have been left after one has been drawn? 19. So this is 19. And we multiply, and below. How many blue hammers are available? 8. How many total hammers are available? 18. Okay, this is 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20. Okay, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. So we have got 2 here and 2 here. So 2 fours are 8 and 2 twos are 4. So the probability is 2 divided by 19. So this is the answer. That was number 19. Okay, we move on to number 20. X and Y are parallel lines. This is the third line, let me call it A. And this is the fourth line, let me call it B. This angle is C, this angle is B, and this angle is A. We are required to find A in terms of B and C, in terms of C and B. Okay, now please see. Because these two lines are parallel and this is transversal, so this angle C will be equal to this angle. So this angle is also C. And because this angle and this angle, they are vertically opposite angles, so this angle must also be C degrees. And because these are the three angles of a triangle, I can say that A plus B plus C must be equal to 180. We are required to find A in terms of B and C. So I transfer B on the right side and I transfer C on the right side. So I will get A is equal to 180 minus B minus C. So this is the answer. I hope it is clear. I wish you good luck.